All right, guys, check it out. We got the Traxxas Mini Maxx, and what is this? We got a Hobby Wing Easy Run brushless combo, and we are using a Spectrum 6290 servo. There is a lot of smack talking going around about this truck. Guys, Traxxas nailed it. Traxxas will never give me an RC car for free. They'll probably never even watch my videos, but guys, this has to be the best RC car on the market. Let's see what it can do.
All right, guys, let's test this thing out. First run, that's pretty much full speed. That's pretty fast. Wow. It doesn't turn very sharp, that's for sure. All right. I did notice that the tires are like super stiff. Whew. Oh, you see that? Woo! That was awesome. Let's do that again. Look at that. Guys, it's super easy to control. Uh-oh. You see the body just popped off there. Pretty much standard. But, let's see here. All right. That sucks. Body popped off like typical. All right, here we go. Body keeps popping off. What in the heck is going on? Let's try it again. Let's move the ramp a little bit closer. That way we can make it into the grass and keep testing. Well, it's still driving straight. All right, here we go. Oh, guys, just not quite enough wheel speed. Not quite enough wheel speed to get that thing to level out, but let's try it again. Oh, wait a second. Did the front pop off? It did. All right, let's try to remount the body. We are landing in the grass. Let's see here. Look at that, guys. Chassis staying nice and clean. So the body is nice and clean. All right, let's keep going. Oh man, let's look at this body. Oh, she good. Let's go. Definitely could use a little bit better servo, that's for sure. There we go. I just can't keep it on its wheel. Woo! Let's see what kind of range the radio gets. Let's see here. Before we do break it. There we go. That's all right. All right, let's see here. I know my Creighton would go, ooh, it's starting to get a little off-centered. Oh. And we lost range, guys. Wow, what is up with that? That wasn't even very far. Oh, there she is. So, yeah, we didn't make it very far, that's for sure. Let's check the motor. Let's see what the motor's doing. Man, oh, the body popped off again. Man, you could stick your tongue on that thing. But, guys, this little truck is a beast. It really is. It is a beast. And the steering is not messing up on me. Guys, this thing is just absolutely, I love it. I really do. I absolutely love it. For a stock, bone stock truck. Guys, yeah, the price was it was kind of expensive, but that's just inflation, right? So you pay more for a truck that doesn't break, is the way I see it. See, look at that, guys. It loses signal right there. That's not even very far. It does handle good though. Woo. Woo. All right. I think I bumped my steering a little bit. Yeah, I did. All right, let's try this. Let's try this again. Let's see what kind of range we can get out of it. It's funny, when I was coming here, somebody commented, follow it like a little kid, and now I feel like I have to. So I'm not sure how far that is down there, but you know, they did tell me the antenna was in the receiver box still. Up, yep. Oh, we got it. We still got it. We still got it. That's pretty far. Uh-oh. Must be a dead zone. What is going on? Maybe the battery's dead. I'm guessing the battery's dead. The battery's not dead. It's just losing range. It's pretty slow. But we're gonna go ahead and upgrade to the oh no! Our first crash. We're gonna upgrade to the Hobby Wing system, and we're definitely gonna put some roof connectors on this truck because it likes to go on the lid. But guys, look at this thing. It's so awesome. Let's turn around, spot. There we go. Boom. Full speed. It's pretty fast. All right. Whew. Here we go. Whoa, whoa. It doesn't do so good in the tall grass. Whoa. And these tires don't have any foam in them, so they're pretty hard. Look at that. Woo. We're gonna run it till the battery goes dead, guys. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Here it goes. I'll be leaving little roost marks, I think. Oh man.
All right, really quick before we, well, we already got it out of the box, and we already charged your battery. Check it out, guys. Truck comes with a brand new, well, obviously, truck comes with a 2S 3500 milliamp LiPo, and it comes with the radio, comes with the truck, comes with a couple of tools. And guys, I just want to skip all that and get to why I believe this truck is the best thing Traxxas has ever released to this date. So what we have here is, well, we got the Mini Maxx, and then we have the original, well, this is pretty old. This is like old technology, Traxxas e-Revo with the VXL brushless motor in it. Now, let me show you guys some comparisons really quick before I turn this truck on and show you what it can do. Now, checking out this old Traxxas e-Revo. Now, if we were to do any of these things to the Mini Maxx, it would, well, it would be a downgrade. Besides maybe the ESC combo and the motor. First, let's go ahead and start off with the body. Old technology. It's just a pin system, comes with pins, no clips, kind of lame. Traxxas Mini Maxx. Guys, check this out. All new, brand new system, clipless on the bottom, super simple, comes right off, nice and easy. Now, when you get the truck out of the box, you're gonna go, oh wow, this thing is a tank, it is a beast. If you are brand new to RC cars and you've never had a Max or an Xmaxx, well, this is going to probably blow your mind, because it is me. I haven't even run it yet, but guys, just take a look at this thing. It is super robust, compact, and it looks like it's ready to take some big, massive hits. Lots of videos are saying, well, Traxxas missed the mark. Okay, well, let's start off at the front of the truck. Guys, look at this big, old, beefy bumper. It looks just like the Mini Maxx, or it looks just like the Maxx and the Xmaxx. And from the back of the truck, you got a big old beefy bumper. And then look at this, guys. Look at these arms. I'm gonna go ahead and measure these really quick. We'll go ahead and we'll start off, we'll measure it up, zero this bad boy out. Let's just go ahead and measure the front of the arm. It is super beefy. It's like the same beefiness as a 1/10 scale, even possibly the full-size truck. Traxxas missed the mark, huh, guys? Check this out. So this is the old Traxxas eRevo. I know that these are RPM arms, but guys, they are like toothpicks. The whole truck is like a toothpick. It is not robust. It is not beefy. It is not going to hold up to those big hard hits. It's got a really small servo, super small axles. They actually come with plastic axles. This is upgraded. And well, let me show you what they weigh. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and weigh them without, actually we gotta weigh them with the body so we can stick them upside down. So we'll weigh up the Maxx, the Mini Maxx first. Good Lord. All right, Mini Maxx, we're gonna weigh them with a battery, with battery. So Mini Maxx, 3 pounds, 12 ounces without the battery. So Mini Maxx with the battery, we are going to weigh 4 pounds, 2.4 ounces. Okay, next we'll go ahead and weigh up the Traxxas eRevo with both batteries. Traxxas eRevo, truck weighs with body 3.12 ounces. And with both batteries, we're weighing in at 3.52 ounces. Guys, this thing is pretty much, well, not fully upgraded, but we got metal drivetrain, we got metal axles, we got metal steering links, we got upgraded tires, and we got 2 batteries, we have a connector, and it still weighs less. Here they are side by side. Just so you guys know, they are both 1/16 scale. Check them out side by side. They are exactly the same size, same wheelbase. Oh, I think they're the same wheelbase. I'd have to actually measure axle to axle. But guys, let's go ahead, pull the hood off, and we'll see what's under the body. Woohoo! Look at that bad boy. Looks just like a Maxx. I know you guys have already seen it, but completely different configuration. We got a servo up top here. It is the 2056 Traxxas servo. We got the BL2S 3300 kV motor with the BL2S Traxxas ESC. And we're gonna have probably the typical TQ RX box in there, and the radio, let me show you that. This is the radio you're gonna get with the truck. Pretty typical, bottom of the barrel bones remote. You have your steering trim knob, and then you're gonna have a set button for setting your endpoints and whatnot. And basically that is it. No Bluetooth connector, no nothing else. Just your bare radio. Doesn't come with batteries or anything like that. One cool thing that came with the truck are these shock pieces. So you have some shock pistons, and you also have these shock spacers. That way you can stiffen up your suspension and take even bigger jumps than you are out of the box. Take a look at those beefy shocks. These are the same size shocks that come on a 1/10 scale buggy or truggy, or I'm not even sure. These might even come on like a Traxxas Stampede. Let's see how big these bad boys are. All right, so measuring up, I believe these are the 12mm shock. Oh, we got 13mm bodies. Check that out. Super nice. And when you drop it from about a foot, guys, it doesn't even bottom out. Now, on the other hand, here is the Revo. We got these little tiny springs, and we got, well, check this out. It's fully upgraded, and bam. Not even a foot high, guys, and it is smacking the chassis. So how is the Mini Maxx a downgrade? Looking at the truck, it looks like this thing is going to be, well, fully upgradable. Look at it. We're probably going to be able to see some new shocks for it, probably some hinge pin holders, probably some axles. I know we already have axles. We have knuckles and hubs. All that stuff is coming out. And then, guys, if you get really bored and want to go super fast, we'll just go ahead and throw this easy run in. But before we do that, let's go ahead. So check it out. There is our battery hold down. It's got like a little arm in there and just clips right in place. And what I have done in the past before was put like a little screw right there because, well, guys, these still do pop open and you'll lose your batteries. So in the future, I may just make a little Pnwrcmadness carbon fiber HD lipo tray. All right, so insert your battery. This is what is going to come in the box. This is how you charge it up. Make sure that you're using the correct wattage cable, otherwise you won't get a good connection. And after it starts blinking green 4 times, your battery is charged. So go ahead, strap your battery in. Always, guys, turn on your remote first. Plug the truck in, turn the bad boy on, and this is what you guys get. Woo, 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 woo. Pretty slow, but that's it. Yeah, guys. Woo, woo, woo. Well, as you can see, we got no ballooning. And that is the good old BLS toot. Let's take this bad boy outside and see what it can do. So after all that, we made it back and the truck is in absolutely awesome, amazing condition. One piece, we did not bend or break anything. We may have gotten a little scuff on the body because I did roll it over on the asphalt. But guys, at the end of the day, this is what I want to say about the truck. I didn't have any funny results with delays from reverse to forward when I was outside. The truck does not want to steer. It steers like a bus. There's only one knob on the radio, and that is going to be your steering trim. So there's no way to, I guess, get a bigger or tighter radius. And it's definitely pretty slow. But all in all, I'm still going to say that this truck is the best thing since bread and butter. Okay, I'm just joking on that. So this is what I want to say. These trucks are made for beginners. They come with your batteries. Oh, that's the other thing. So it comes with a battery, but it doesn't come with the little charge box, and it doesn't come with the correct watt cable to make this work. So you're going to have to go through maybe 2 or 3 cables to make sure you're getting no errors on your little charger, wherever that thing went to. But all in all, the truck is a beast, and I can't wait. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put in that hobby wing. I'm going to install a new servo, and I'm going to run my Fly Sky, and I'm going to run it like that. Going to run on 3S, of course, so we'll do a video on that, but please do subscribe if you want to see that. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Love the truck. Love you guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I will catch you guys later. Whoosh.